We are excited to announce the development and pending debut of the Bruiser JL Crew. Starting with a 2018 Jeep JLU Wrangler, Bruiser conversions will power this vehicle with our fully integrated LS3 engine conversion system. Our JL LS3 engine conversion adapts to the factory 8-speed automatic transmission and is controlled by a performance-tuned Mopar PCM. The Bruiser JL Crew will be added to the fleet of other high-performance Jeep JK Wrangler conversions. This platform combines stellar off-road capabilities and performance with quality, luxury, and style. Bruiser will officially debut this one-of-a-kind vehicle at the 2018 SEMA show in Las Vegas, Nevada. The rugged design of the Bruiser JL Crew will feature a full line of premium quality accessories that you've grown accustomed to seeing in a typical Bruiser build.